Welcome to Native House, a modern architectural masterpiece that blends seamlessly with nature. Designed by YODEZEEN Architects, this home offers a harmonious and refreshing living experience. Let's start with the exterior. Native House is surrounded by lush trees, creating a serene and cool atmosphere. The facade is made from a combination of natural stone, glass, and metal, resulting in an elegant and modern look. Large windows allow natural light to flood into the home, creating bright and airy spaces. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and open living room. The walls are made from warm wood that contrasts beautifully with the smooth light gray stone floors. A large, plush sofa provides the perfect spot to relax with family and friends. Adjacent to the living room is a dining area that connects to the kitchen. A long wooden dining table can accommodate many guests, ideal for enjoying meals together. The kitchen is modern and functional, equipped with the latest appliances. The kitchen in Native House comes with all the tools you need to create culinary masterpieces. The countertops are made from durable and easy-to-clean granite. The cabinets are crafted from wood with a sleek finish, adding an elegant touch to the room. The master bedroom is a tranquil and peaceful oasis. Its large and comfortable bed invites you to unwind and enjoy a restful night's sleep. A large window beside the bed allows you to take in the beautiful natural scenery. The master bathroom features a bathtub and shower, where you can relax and de-stress. For those who work from home, Native House provides a comfortable and inspiring workspace. A large and ergonomic desk allows you to work with focus and productivity. Built-in bookshelves offer storage for your books and documents. Outside the home, a beautiful garden awaits, filled with a variety of plants and flowers. A small pond adds a touch of tranquility and serenity to the outdoor space. This garden is the perfect place to relax, read a book, or spend time with loved ones. Native House is an ideal home for those seeking a harmonious and nature-connected lifestyle. Beautifully designed and functional, this home offers everything you need for a happy and comfortable life. Thank you for watching the Native House home tour video. We hope you were inspired by the beauty and functionality of this home. If you're interested in learning more about Native House, please visit the YODEZEEN Architects website.